In this video, we are going to see that if you don't see the advanced options or modify options in any of the installed apps in Windows 11, here's a quick fix for you. So let's say that you are trying to repair an application, you want to reset, you want to repair it, but you don't see any advanced options or modify options. That's because you are using the home version, that is single or S version of Windows. So if you want to switch the version so that you should be able to get those options. So what we need to do is just head over to the systems button on the settings menu and scroll all the way down and head over to this section which says activation. Click on that. And from here, we notice that we are using Windows 11 home single language version. So this will not allow the advanced options to be shown. What we need to do is just click on this drop down which says upgrade your edition of Windows. From here, we will choose open store. And from here, you can upgrade to Windows 10 or 11 Pro edition with enhanced features. You can upgrade to the workstation or get this for this price. And this will allow you to work on that settings. Alternatively, what you can do is if you have Windows setup available, you can install the Pro version of Windows 11 and then you should be able to make all of those changes. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.